Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you reserve on your Airbnb app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is to just come to the app like this. It's going to show for you, and here can you choose uh, houses you want to reserve, like this house for example here. So just click, then it's going to take you here in this list, and you click here on reserve here, then it's going to take you here in this list. Then here, so add you add here dates here, and here you add guests you have. So and you just go down here, and all you have to do, so and here you will find all total about this house. And here can you add your card information to pay, and here can you add phone number. So that's all, and you click here on confirm and pay, then it's going to add video on your Airbnb app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.